Hello everyone, it's Jessin again with another Oh My Vegan, where we take recipes that are either vegan or need veganized and we make them a reality. So today's recipe comes to us from Amanda from Mindful Avocado. The link for the recipe is below. It's a rainy day here, so I'm thinking it's a wonderful time to make some scones. We're gonna make lemon blueberry scones. I think they're gonna turn out wonderful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button so we can make this YouTube thing happen. And Clifford says hello as well. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is add our dry. So we need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It says 1 tablespoon. I've never used that much tablespoon. It's a lot of baking powder. I'm gonna say it's not supposed to be that much. I'm gonna use half a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, So while we're waiting for the scones to bake and to cool down, I am going to make some tea since it is a really British kind of day. I am going to make amaretto tea from the Queen's Pantry in Leavenworth, Kansas. I used to live in Leavenworth and it's this cute little shop that I think is just perfect, and I order my amaretto tea from there every time I'm out just because I cannot find amaretto anywhere. So the link to their store is below. You should really check it out if you're a tea person, and even if you're not a tea person, you might find something there that you like. They don't sponsor this video or anything. I just think that they're a great little shop. So amaretto tea from the Queen's Pantry, and I'm gonna make that while we are waiting for our baked goods. All right, I have my scone. It looks delicious, and I have my amaretto tea. So let's try it and see how this works. See how Amanda did. It's fluffy, it's flaky, it's really still warm. This is delicious. Perfect for a rainy day. Grab your tea, grab a good book, sit by the window, and enjoy. You guys, I had a blast with this video. I hope that you enjoyed it too. Please check out Oh My Vegan, and all the links are below for the recipe, the tea, everything. So happy baking.